Hi, my name is John Lynch, and I'm Chief Investment Officer for Comerica Wealth Management. Part of my role involves speaking to the media, where I discuss what's happening with the financial markets. Well, I've been in the industry for over 35 years. I joined Comerica Wealth Management in the spring of 2020, right at the height of the pandemic. So I've been with the firm for 4 years now. We want our clients to achieve their long-term financial goals. So in that role, I am responsible for asset allocation. We determine what's appropriate for our investors relative to risk tolerance. Investment messaging and investment strategy is a very important part of my responsibility. And finally, ultimately, portfolio management of our clients' investment portfolios. I like to take a real macro approach, a top-down approach to what's happening to investments. I always think about, what are the big picture items that investors need to focus on? So when I view that, I always kind of have the same chapters in my mind, if you will. I look at policy, I look at what's happening in the economy, how that can impact interest rates and fixed income markets. I like to look at corporate profitability and valuations to see what's a good price for a stock or what's a good price for the equity market, if you will. I also think global developments are a very important aspect, whether you look at monetary and fiscal policy globally and how that affects our investments. And then finally, currencies and commodities. I think they play an important role in people's portfolios, global economic trade flows. So they also are something that I like to look at when making investment decisions on behalf of our investors. At Comerica Wealth Management, we spent a lot of time going through our investment philosophy and our investment process to make sure it was clear and concise for our investors, for our clients and our prospects. We want to ensure that when we put together a portfolio, that it is meeting all our clients' needs. Regarding our investment principles, they begin with the planning process. We want to make sure we fully understand our clients' long-term investment goals. Consequently, that rolls right into the asset allocation process to make sure we have asset classes sufficient to enable our clients to achieve those goals. We then employ risk tolerance measures to ensure that we're not drifting from those goals. From a research standpoint, my team and I are constantly looking at the economy, interest rates, corporate profits, for example, to make sure they're consistent with what's happening in the financial markets. And then finally, from a communication standpoint, we want to make sure we're providing our investors with sufficient input so they can fully understand what's happening in the financial markets, how we're employing those asset classes in their portfolios, and how it's affecting ultimately their investment process. If you visit Comerica.com/John-Lynch, you can explore weekly market updates and our monthly investment commentaries, as well as my interviews with the financial media. While you are there, subscribe to receive these commentaries right to your email. Don't miss current and relevant national news affecting market activity. Thank you for the opportunity to tell you about myself as well as Comerica Wealth Management. Be well and stay safe.